Water is the cornerstone of survival. You can survive weeks without food, but just a few days without water can be life-threatening. Whether you're on a planned adventure or caught in an emergency, knowing how to purify water is a skill that could save your life. In this video, we're going to explore 7 practical and proven methods to purify water outdoors. From high-tech gadgets to improvised solutions, I'll guide you step by step so you can stay hydrated and safe no matter the situation. Let's jump right in. Boiling water is the gold standard for purification. It's simple and incredibly effective. Bring the water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. If you're at higher altitudes, above 6,500 feet, boil it for 3 minutes to compensate for lower boiling temperatures. This method kills nearly all bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Just remember to allow it to cool before drinking, especially in colder environments where hot water can be a hazard. Always carry a lightweight metal container or a survival kettle in your gear. They make boiling water much easier in the field. Portable water filters are a game changer. These devices can filter out bacteria, protozoa, and even microplastics from water, leaving it safe to drink. They're lightweight, easy to use, and some models are capable of filtering thousands of liters before needing replacement. Filters like straw-style or pump models are perfect for emergencies or backpacking trips. Make sure to backflush your filter regularly to maintain its efficiency, especially in muddy or sediment-heavy water. When time is of the essence, chemical purification tablets are a lifesaver. These small tablets contain chemicals like iodine or chlorine dioxide that kill harmful microorganisms. Drop a tablet into your water container, wait 30 minutes, or follow the instructions, and your water is ready to drink. While this method is effective, be aware of the taste. Some tablets can leave an aftertaste. If that bothers you, bring powdered drink mixes to improve the flavor. For tech-savvy adventurers, UV light purifiers are highly effective and fast. These devices emit ultraviolet light that neutralizes bacteria, viruses, and protozoa in water. All you need is a clear container and a few seconds of UV exposure to make water safe. Always carry spare batteries or a solar charger to keep your purifier functional in long-term survival scenarios. If you're caught without tools, you can improvise a filtration system using natural materials. Build a filter by layering sand, charcoal, small pebbles, and a cloth in a bottle or hollow container. While this won't fully purify the water, it's excellent for removing debris and sediment. Always follow this method with boiling or chemical treatment for complete safety. Pre-filtering is a crucial first step, especially when dealing with cloudy or debris-filled water. Use a clean piece of cloth, a bandana, or even a sock to strain out large particles. This doesn't purify the water, but prepares it for more thorough methods like boiling or chemical treatment. In an emergency, a coffee filter works wonders as a pre-filter. Selecting the right water source can save you time and effort. Look for clear, fast-moving water from a stream, river, or spring. Avoid stagnant water sources, such as ponds or puddles, as they're more likely to contain harmful bacteria and parasites. If you're unsure about the safety of a water source, err on the side of caution and always purify it. In a survival situation, clean water is non-negotiable. Let's recap the methods we've covered. Boil water for at least 1 minute to kill harmful organisms. Use portable water filters for convenience and reliability. Carry chemical purification tablets for quick results. Try UV purifiers for modern, battery-powered efficiency. Improvise with DIY filtration systems using natural materials. Pre-filter dirty water with cloth or similar materials. Prioritize clean, moving water sources to start with the safest option. With these methods, you're well prepared to tackle any water-related challenge in the wild. Survival starts with preparation. Equip yourself with the tools and knowledge you need before heading into the outdoors. Practice these purification techniques now so that you'll be ready to use them when it matters most. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more survival tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to method for purifying water in the wild? Until next time, stay safe, stay prepared, and keep exploring.